How can you save your money, your time, and your energy by cooking? Hi everybody, my name is Elena, and today I'm gonna talk about how can I cook 2 times at month, and it is enough for having every day very nice, very healthy, very good organic food. Oh my god! And sorry about my English, I'm still learning, but this information very important, and I really happy that I created because it saved my time a lot, and I feel finally freedom inside my hand because I didn't and I oh sorry I don't think about food anymore. To be honest, I don't like cook. I don't like spend a lot of time for thinking what I will eat, because for me it's kind of base, it's kind of habits, and it's not a goal, you know. It's like a gym, it's not a goal, it's like your base, or brushing your teeth, yes, or something like that. But I also care about healthy, about what exactly I eat, because I understand it's so important for everything, for your energy, for how you're thinking, how your brain works, how much you're focused, and how you healthier, stronger. So it's a lot. I'm artist, but yes, I really love do something for my body. I have gym or dance or sometimes basketball, tennis, swimming. I really love activities. I love use my body, and I'm really caring about healthy and organic because of course, if I eat in McDonald's one time, it will not broke my body, right? But if you do it regular, it could be broke. I just had some situation when I so hungry, I don't have food, and I have to find something. I have to spend my money, or I didn't find something good for food, and I was eating everything, and of course more often it wasn't healthy, and I know it, and I was know it. And or another situation when you just came to home very tired, you don't want to you want to nothing, but you open your fridge and you don't have food for tomorrow. And yes, you need to find, you need to buy, you need to cook, you need to spend time for it. It makes me nervous. Well, I did some plan. How can I fix it? And now I really love it because it's so very nice. What exactly I do? Of course, it's not the secret about base the food. Base the food, it's kind of vegetables, milk, cheese, eggs, meat, rice, pasta, yep, something like that. And then you have like fruits, and then you have candies, snacks, and something like that. Well, but if you really look at this, you can understand that for base you have only 3 things. It is meat, it is green, and it is some food like rice, bulgur, quinoa, something like pasta, yeah, something like that. Everything more, it's up to you. You can eat it. Of course, it will be nice if we're talking about some base food, yep. But if you don't have it, it's okay, really, because these 3 things, it's really base. Now I have it every day. Even if I don't have something more, I have meat, and it makes me healthy, it makes me stronger. Every 2 weeks, sometimes it's more than 2 weeks, sometimes no. But if you have very big freeze, I think you can do it for 1 month. But it depends on your how many people in your family, and how many hours you have for cooking, and that's all I think. I just heard some very interesting information that chefs in restaurants freeze the food, and then they just make it warm. That's all. So it was really surprised for me because I thought it's only about some coffee, but no, it's about restaurants too. And I also read like nothing happens if you freeze your food. Your food will be nice, healthier anywhere. No, anyway. And now, what exactly I do? I buy 2 or 3 different meats, but not just regular meats. I buy this one. Sorry, I didn't know these words. I need to learn it. Yeah. Well, I buy this and also onion and carrot and some these things. And I'm doing meatballs. Why this? Because it's so simply. It's nothing. Like that's all. And I do it not a little. I do like this, like bigger, just because it saves my time. And I just do it a lot. I use this one and I use this, and then I just make it a little bit colder, and I put all meatballs in the bags. This system really helps me to don't think about food. Usually I eat it with green and rice, or sometimes I don't eat rice because it's more calories, and I don't know, I just love only meat and green. I also buy only organic food.
Organic.
Eat whole foods. I really love this, if you know what I mean. And now I finally know what exactly I eat. I'm sure that it is very healthy, very simple, very organic, and very nice for my body. And it makes me safe and freedom. It makes me calm because I know I have base. And usually I eat it for lunch and dinner. And usually I eat bread with eggs and sometimes cheese for breakfast. And for more protein, now I eat like protein shake. Sometimes it's protein snacks. And I also buy some cottage cheese with a lot of protein. It's organic too. It's so nice for time like around 8 p.m. because 8 p.m. I'm hungry, and I know if I don't eat, I will so hungry when I came to home. I think life is something more, and I think your food, your regular gym, your sleeping, your cleaning, your house and your body, your clothes, it's kind of base. It's not your goal. Of course, I understand it's more good if you have different food for every day, a different menu. Of course, I understand that if you have more colorful food, I mean more different vegetables, more different meats and something like that, it's nice, of course. But it takes time and money too. People who do it really spend a lot of time for it. It is truth. I also was trying to do different meals, like from chicken and from beef too. Some chicken with mushrooms, with milk, with some vegetables. It was nice, but it wasn't good ideas because after freezing, it makes it was more like like this word, and it wasn't tasty, it wasn't delicious, and it takes time. And it was really surprised because I really don't like chicken just because I mean chicken like like chest chicken, just because it's nothing for tasty after freeze, and it also makes more time. So my way it's for 2 hours for cooking, and I spend 1 hour for cleaning before and after, and I have very big dishes, so it makes time too. And maybe half of hour I need for put each food 2 bags. So 3.5 hours for 2 times, I think it's nothing. And I just sure that I will have very nice, very good food tomorrow. I don't think about it anymore. It's so nice, and each food's more than eat. It's up to you. You can eat it with rice, with green, you with vegetables, with nuts. It's up to you. It's like about your idea, but you have a base. If you don't have nothing, if you don't have time, this one is much easier. It's much good. It's much delicious, and it's much simple. But it's up to you. Of course, you can. I think you can cook everything by these ideas. I mean, you just need very big dishes and cook something and then freeze. But it's up to you. For me, I don't want to have I don't want to spend a lot of time for it. That's all. It's only about my time, and tasty, really. Well, I also buy beef for minimum percent of fat, because again, it's much healthier. Well, yes, this is my decision. This is my position about food. I really think that many people really think about food a lot. It's really saved my times a lot. It's really saved my mind from thinking about it. And I also understand that many people just scared to do something new, something very, very important for them, for you. I'm really happy to have it, because I don't think about food anymore. I mean, I think about it 2 times a month, and I just do it. I have focus, and I also, when I cook, I just listen some nice music, or I just a little bit dance because I love it, or I just see some movie or podcast. So it's kind of my relaxed time, and it's really saved a lot of time, and not only time like real time, but time inside my hand, because I don't have to think about it anymore, because I have everything. And it's really nice, because I know many people, and most of them who has family and kids, really spend a lot of time for cleaning house, cleaning clothes, and cooking. And sometimes it's also about scared, because, for example, you want to create some YouTube channel, but you have to cook, and of course it's more important, yes, and of course it's more easier, and you will do it. But it's kind of afraiding and scareding, you know what I mean? So yeah, I mean, for our years, I think it's not so important, and we really have a lot of food, a lot of ways you can choose a different, of course. And I finally have a lot of time, a lot of free time without cooking, and I have some system about cleaning, but maybe it is about new video. Well, this is my position. I really think, like many people think about cooking, about cleaning, about some base a lot, and it makes really a lot of time, and we have to make or find some different way for do it very simple, very easier, and not for a lot of time. You will not be hungry every day, and for me it's so nice. I'm not a chef, I'm an artist, a real person who have to eat, make some sport, clean your house and everything like that, and I just find some very nice ways how can I do it much easier, simple, and for a little times. And I also make some guide about cooking, about everything. Link is down below. I make it for you because I think it's so nice. Well, if you like me, just like me, and if you have any question, you can make a comments. I will so glad I'm start here, and I'm very appreciate your time. Bye bye. See you.